In this video, I'll show you how to update DNS records in Hostinger. Alright, so we're not going to use the home screen for this, just in case your domain is not on the home screen here, though generally it is. What we'll do is we'll go to Domains, and then Domain Portfolio. Here in the Domain Portfolio, you'll be able to see all your active domains, and you just want to click on Manage. And from inside the domain overview, you can just click on your DNS name server and click on Edit. And now you have options. So you could add a new record and then fill in from type to TTL and then hit Add Record. Or we can update one of our existing records. So underneath here, you just want to click on Edit on any of your existing records, and you'll be presented with this screen here, and then you can just change whatever you want and click on Update. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.